The 8.8 centimeter flak 18, 36, 37, or 41 is a German 88mm anti-aircraft and anti-tank artillery gun that was called the Oct-Oct, or 8.8 by the Germans, and the 88 by the Allies. Though it was designed exclusively as an anti-aircraft gun, it had unexpected, fantastic results against tanks. So much so that a modified 8.8 centimeter cannon was dubbed the KWK and served as the main armament of the Tiger I. Once I was satisfied with the assembly of the 88, I went ahead and placed a magnet in the bottom of the gun and placed a magnet on top of it so that the two pieces would stay together and still be able to rotate.